Welcome to today's overview of one of the leading producers of sophisticated embroidery technology. We'll be diving into the intricate world of Inbro, a company renowned for its innovative approach to embroidery, and exploring their signature INB embroidery format in detail. Inbro stands at the forefront of the embroidery machine industry. They're celebrated for their commitment to excellence and have crafted an exclusive embroidery format recognized as INB. The INB embroidery format is Inbro's unique digital canvas, meticulously designed for their state-of-the-art embroidery machines. This format emerged from the creative minds at Inbro in the early 2000s, ushering in a new era for embroidery enthusiasts. It was ingeniously engineered as a bespoke file type, compatible exclusively with Inbro's machines. The elegance of the INB format comes from its vector-based infrastructure. Unlike pixel-based images, the INB format consists of mathematical equations that define every curve and line, enabling embroidered designs to be scaled without losing quality and providing remarkable precision in every stitch. With the INB format, users benefit from a comprehensive palette of attributes that bring embroidery to life. This includes the ability to specify and fine-tune aspects such as the stitch types, lengths, colors, and the direction of each thread. Such detailed customization is facilitated by specialized software that Inbro offers alongside their embroidery machines. One key advantage of this software, and the INB format it produces, is its intelligent optimization of thread consumption. By cleverly arranging the stitching sequence, the software is capable of lessening thread changes. This not only conserves thread, but also substantially diminishes the time required for embroidery work. The benefit of its vector nature continues to shine as it ensures the final embroidered product boasts of cleaner lines and smoother curves that one can't help but admire for their higher grade of quality. It is important to note, however, that the INB format comes with certain constraints, primarily due to its proprietary nature. This exclusivity means that those who create designs in the INB format can only use them on Inbro machines, limiting interoperability with embroidery machines from other brands. For designers and entrepreneurs who wish to distribute or sell their creations or might contemplate switching to a different embroidery machine brand in the future, this can pose a challenge. Still, the INB format retains its relevancy and continues to be employed by users of Inbro embroidery machines to this day. Inbro remains dedicated to advancing their machines and the accompanying software needed to generate INB files. While more universal formats like DST and PES have emerged and grown in popularity, the INB format persists as an attractive option for Inbro loyalists and keeps gaining traction within the community, demonstrating its ongoing value. To encapsulate, the INB embroidery file format is a proprietary invention by Inbro, integral to their embroidery machines. Its vector-based design offers embroidery aficionados the advantage of high precision, quality output with a thrifty use of thread. Though limited to Inbro equipment, its foothold in the industry is undeniable. As technology marches forward, it will be fascinating to observe the evolution and adaptation of the INB format, as well as other proprietary file types, in the rapidly changing landscape of embroidery digitization. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.